In this video, you'll learn how to unlock a locked layer in your design software so you can start editing it again. This is a quick and simple process, but it's really important to understand what's happening so you don't get stuck wondering why you can't move or change something on your canvas. Let's start with a bit of context. When a layer is locked, it's basically protected from any accidental changes. You can't move it, transform it, paint on it, or delete it. This is useful when you have a background, a logo, or any element that you want to keep safe while you work on other parts of your project. But once you're ready to adjust that element, you'll need to unlock the layer first. To do that, make sure you can see your layers panel. This is usually found on the right side of your screen in most design or photo editing programs. If you don't see it, you might need to open it from the window menu at the top of the screen by choosing layers. Once the panel is visible, you'll see a list of all the layers in your document. Now look through the list of layers and find the one you want to edit. A locked layer is usually indicated by a small padlock icon. This padlock is typically shown to the right of the layer's name, but depending on your software, it might appear slightly differently. The key thing is that the padlock means that layer is locked and cannot be edited. To unlock it, all you need to do is click directly on that padlock icon next to the layer's name. Just a single click is enough. As soon as you do that, you should see the padlock icon disappear. That visual change is your confirmation that the layer is now unlocked. With the padlock gone, the layer is fully editable again. You can move it around on the canvas, resize it, rotate it, paint on it, apply filters, or make any adjustments your project requires. If you try selecting something on your canvas and it still doesn't move, double check that you selected the correct layer in the layers panel and that the padlock is no longer visible. A quick tip: if you're working on a complex project with many layers, it can be a good habit to lock layers you're not currently adjusting, then unlock them only when you need to make changes. This helps prevent accidental edits, especially when layers overlap. Just remember that the process is always the same. Go to the layers panel, locate the padlock icon, and click it to toggle the lock on or off. So to recap in simple terms, you open your layers panel, find the layer you want to work on, click the padlock icon next to its name, and once the padlock disappears, you're free to edit